What? $4,000 for a gearbox rebuild? The 5-speed manual needs a rebuild. $4,000? Hang on a minute. What's in the box over here? Oh, new gearbox. Oh, about $3,000, you know. So, ballpark numbers here, but, you know, cheaper to get a brand new genuine than a rebuild? Happy days. Where's the problem? The old one out, so you might as well put the new one in. What's going on here? Need to get that bearing out, eh? Change that while it's there. Back of a 1KD manual in a Hilux. Just to have a bit of a look while we're here, eh? So we got the old flywheel, the old clutch. Well, not too bad on wear. How many kilometres? Is that original? Or do you know how many Ks this has got on it? Anyway, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? And we've got a whole new one here. Oh, the spring's out, yeah. Maybe there's a problem. And look at this. Look at all these. Oh, beautiful. New.